Dear students, how are you? I think you are safe and sound and staying at home. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty God. Dear learners, you know that we are passing through a critical time because of COVID-19. So stay home, stay safe and be connected with us. Dear students, welcome to my online class. On behalf of Port Secondary School, Khalishpur, Khulna, this is Himanshu Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English. Before starting my class, I would like to thank all of my viewers, all of the guardians, all of the students and all of my honorable teachers who are watching this video and with me at this moment. So, dear learners, we are having a critical time, so stay home and stay safe and be connected with us. Dear students, you know that different teachers from different institutions are taking classes online for your betterment. These classes are very essential for your today life, or in future it will be very beneficial for you. So I earnestly request you to follow these classes. If you follow these classes, this will be very beneficial to you in near future. So dear learners, follow these classes very carefully. Dear learners, before starting my class, I request you to bring your notebook, to bring your textbook, open your notebook, take your pen and be sit with me. Dear students, I am here to take a class especially for the students of class 8. Dear learners, today I am here to take an English class. The class is from your textbook or EFT book. So before starting my class, I want to show you something. I want to show you before something. Please look at this. Look at this picture. Dear students, I have a question. What do you see? I think you see it carefully. This is from your textbook at page number 61. What do you see? Dear students, you know it well, but for your better understanding, I will repeat it once again, and that is, we can see here some people are waiting in a lounge at a airport with their luggage. We can also see a plane taking off at the background. Dear learners, can you gauge where it could be? Yes, it could be at the lounge at an airport. Dear students, can you tell me who are the people in the picture? Yes, these people are the passenger at the airport. If you want to go abroad, you have to go to a airport. So, dear learners, our today's topic is at the airport. Dear learners, we are having a critical moment because of COVID-19. So, you have to follow the common rules of health. Don't roam here and there. Stay home and stay safe. Dear learners, now I will read the text with Bengali meaning, and you have to open your textbook or EFT book at page number 61. Have you got it? I think you have got it. Now I will start my reading. After finishing my class or reading, I will do some exercises for your betterment. So, dear learners, follow me carefully. Now, I will read the text with Bengali meaning for your better understanding. At the airport, page number 61. Jara lives with her parents in London. যারা তার পিতামাতার সাথে লন্ডনে থাকে, they have come to Bangladesh to visit Jara's aunt and uncle. তারা বাংলাদেশে যারা চাচা চাচিকে দেখতে এসেছে. She is very close to her cousin Mita. সে তার চাচাতো বোন মিতার খুবই ঘনিষ্ঠ. Both the families have visited many interesting places together in Bangladesh. উভয় পরিবারই বাংলাদেশের কিছু মজাদার একই স্থান একত্রে ঘুরেছে বা দেখেছে. It was great fun. এটা খুব মজার ব্যাপার. Then they decided that they would visit some places outside Bangladesh too. তারপর তারা সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছিল যে তারা বাংলাদেশের বাইরের কিছু স্থান ঘুরে দেখবে. They decided to go to Thailand. তারা থাইল্যান্ডে যাওয়ার সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছিল. But Mita's parents were too busy with their work. কিন্তু মিতার বাবা মা তাদের কাজকর্মে খুবই ব্যস্ত ছিলেন. So they could not go. সুতরাং তারা যেতে পারেনি. However, Mita was going with them. যা হোক, মিতা তাদের সঙ্গে যাচ্ছিল. Mita, Jara and her parents are at Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. মিতা, জারা এবং তার পিতামাতা হযরত শাহজালাল আন্তর্জাতিক বিমানবন্দরে অবস্থান করছিল. They are waiting in the lounge. তারা বিশ্রামাগারে অপেক্ষা করছে. মিতা ইজ ভেরি এক্সাইটেড. মিতা ছিল খুবই উৎফুল্ল এবং উত্তেজিত. This is her first time to board a plane. এটা ছিল তার উড়োজাহাজে উড্ডয়নের প্রথম সময়, বা সে উড়োজাহাজে প্রথমবারই উড্ডয়ন করছে এখন. They are flying by বাংলাদেশ বিমান. তারা বাংলাদেশ বিমানে করে উড্ডয়ন করছে. Mita is hoping to have a great time in Thailand. মিতা থাইল্যান্ডে একটা চমৎকার সময়ের প্রত্যাশা করছে। As they wait, the two cousins start planning what they would do once they reach Bangkok. বিমান উড্ডয়নের জন্য অপেক্ষার সময় দুই চাচাতো বোন পরিকল্পনা করতে লাগলো একবার তারা ব্যাংককে পৌঁছালে কি করবে। Mita's uncle brings forms for all of them to fill it before going through the immigration. মিতার চাচা তাদের জন্য ফর্ম এনেছে যেগুলো তাদের অভিবাসনে যাওয়ার পূর্বে পরিপূর্ণ করতে হয়েছে। He gives on to Mita and says, তিনি একটা মিতাকে দেন এবং বলেন, you have to give some information about yourself in the form. তোমাকে এই ফর্মে তোমার নিজের সম্পর্কে কিছু তথ্য দিতে হবে। The immigration officer will check your passport and stamp it. অভিবাসন কর্মকর্তা এটা খতিয়ে দেখবে এবং তোমার পাসপোর্ট খতিয়ে দেখবে এবং এটাতে সিল মারবে। অ্যান্ড দেন ইউ আর রেডি টু ট্রাভেল। তারপরে তুমি ভ্রমণে যেতে পারবে এবং যেতে প্রস্তুত হবে। মিতা, Jara and her parents start filling in the form. মিতা, জারা এবং তার পিতামাতা সকলেই সেই ফর্মটা পূরণ করতে শুরু করলো। Dear learners, I have finished my reading just now. Now I will move to another thing, and that is vocabulary. Do you know why is vocabulary important? Yes, I think you know it. Vocabulary is essential for learning a language, especially a foreign language like English. It helps us to attain fluency in a foreign language like English. So you have to learn vocabulary more and more. It is an essential part of any language such as English or Bengali. It is also essential for reading comprehension. It is essential for communication such as reading, writing, speaking and listening. So, dear learners, you must learn vocabulary for your betterment. Now, I will discuss some vocabulary with Bengali meaning for your better understanding. Now, let's enjoy the vocabs. Let's have a look on the board. I have already written this vocabulary on the board for saving the time. Now look at the board. Serial number, words, parts of speech, Bangla meaning or Bengali meaning, synonym, antonym. Number 1, together. This word is an adverb and the Bengali meaning is ekotre, and the synonym is collectively, and the antonym is alone or separately. Next, number 2, outside. This word is a noun. The Bengali meaning is boirbag অথবা বাহিরে. The synonym is away and the antonym is inside. Next one, number 3, board. This word is a verb and its Bengali meaning is আরোহণ করা, and synonym is get on, and the antonym is get down. Next one, number 4, interesting. This word is also an adjective. The Bengali meaning of this word is mojadar. Synonym is exciting. Antonym is boring. Next one, number 5, decide. This word is a verb. Bengali meaning is siddhanto newa. Synonym is choose or determine. Antonym is unsettle or put off. Next one, number 6, information. This word is a noun. The Bengali meaning of this word is totto. Synonym is data or details. Antonym is silence. Next and last one is number 7, and that is stamp. This word is a verb. The Bengali meaning of this word is silmara. Synonym is punch or inscribe. Antonym is slide. Dear students, now I'll move to another thing, and that is without clues. You have to memorize this passage. You have to answer this passage from your memory. You need not see the passage once again. You have to answer it from your memory. So this is an ancient passage for you. Not unseen, but this passage is taken from your textbook or EFT book, and you have to learn this passage very carefully. Now, dear students, read the following text and fill in the gaps with appropriate words to make it a meaningful one. Mita, Jara and her parents are at Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport. They are waiting in the dash. Number A, dash, and here the answer is lounge. The answer is lounge. Mita is very dash. Mita is very, and the answer is excited. This is her first time to dash a plane. And the answer is bored. They are flying dash Bangladesh Biman, and here the answer will be by. You have to answer according to your textbook or EFT book. Mita is hoping to have a great dash in Thailand, and the answer will be here Thai. Dear students, now I will move to another thing. You have to read the scene passage or textbook once again, and you have to answer the following questions. Read the text again and answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why is Mita excited? I will write only the answer on the board, and you have to copy it. So I once again request you to take your pen, open your notebook and copy these sentences or answer on your notebook and follow me carefully. Number 1, answer. Mita is excited because it is her first journey by plane. Mita is excited because it is her first journey by plane. Next, on number 2, why aren't Mita's parents going with her? And the answer is Mita's parents aren't going with her Mita's parents aren't going with her because they were too busy because they were too busy with their work. Number 3, what does an immigration officer do at the airport? And the answer is to give answer you have to turn page number 62 from your EFT book. An immigration officer checks the passport and the answer is an immigration officer checks the passport visa and stamps exit or entry in the passport. Dear students, that is all for today. So, dear learners, you have to stay home, stay safe and be connected with us. Don't roam here and there because we are having a critical time because of COVID-19. If you want to go outside, you have to wear a mask. You have to follow the common rules of health. So be careful about your health. Stay home. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.